Ever wonder what makes our high-tech world tick? Beyond plastic and steel, there's a hidden hero molybdenum wire. It's not famous, but it's essential, powering everything from light bulbs to jet engines. When other materials fail under heat and stress, molybdenum wire keeps going. Its resilience is why it's trusted in manufacturing, electronics, and aerospace. Even the tiny filament in some light bulbs relies on molybdenum to shine bright and last longer. This wire is often invisible, but it's the backbone of countless technologies. Let's dive into what makes molybdenum wire so special, where it's used, and why it matters. Understanding materials like this helps us appreciate the science behind our everyday lives. It's a story of innovation, all wrapped up in a thin, silvery wire. Ready to meet the unsung hero of modern industry? Let's get started. So, what is molybdenum wire? It's a tough, silvery white metal element number 42 on the periodic table. To make the wire, molybdenum is purified and drawn through dyes, stretching it into a strong, uniform thread. Its superpower, an incredibly high melting point over 2600 degrees Celsius, so it thrives where other metals melt. Molybdenum wire keeps its strength at high temperatures, making it perfect for furnaces and lighting. It barely expands or contracts with heat, which is crucial for electronics and aerospace. Plus, it resists corrosion from acids and liquid metals. This rare mix of heat resistance, strength, and stability makes it a champion in demanding jobs. Whether in satellites or chemical plants, molybdenum wire delivers reliability. It's engineered to solve the toughest challenges in modern industry. That's why it's trusted where failure isn't an option. This session is brought to you by Navaties, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, Navaties has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Molybdenum wire is closer than you think. In classic light bulbs, it supported the glowing filament surviving intense heat. In welding, it forms electrodes that join metal sheets without deforming. Electronics rely on its stability for flat panel displays and solar panels. Aerospace uses it in jet engines and rocket parts where heat and pressure are extreme. Car engines and exhaust systems benefit from its durability. In medicine, it's found in X-ray machines handling high speeds and temperatures. From lighting our homes to powering flight and healthcare, molybdenum wire is everywhere. It's the silent force behind reliable technology. Next time you flip a switch or board a plane, remember the wire making it possible. The global trade for molybdenum wire is currently valued at USD 68 million, fluctuating between USD 41 million and USD 68 million over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, the global trade volume is 2,950 tons, with a historical range between 805 tons and 3,071.5 tons. The average global price for molybdenum wire is $23.27 per kilo. The top importers of molybdenum wire are India, Germany, Italy, China, South Korea, USA, Turkey, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and Japan, while the top exporters are Austria, China, India, South Korea, Germany, USA, Sweden, Netherlands, Hong Kong, and Czechia. India currently exports USD 11.75 million worth of molybdenum wire, supplying 81 tons to the global market at an average price of $145 per kilo. India holds a 17.19% market share in value and 2.76% in quantity. Over the last 5 years, India's market share has ranged from 3.86% to 17.19%, with revenues between USD 1.76 million and USD 11.74 million. So if you are looking to import molybdenum wire at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for molybdenum wire trade about any country directly on the Navaties platform. The future for molybdenum wire is bright. Aerospace needs it for next-gen engines and space exploration. Electronics demand its stability for faster, smaller devices and flexible tech. As industries push for lighter, stronger, and more sustainable materials, molybdenum's value grows. Its durability means fewer replacements and less waste. It helps make cars lighter and more fuel efficient, cutting emissions. Rising demand in aerospace, electronics, and green tech points to a booming future. Molybdenum wire is now a cornerstone of innovation. As we build a smarter, stronger world, this hidden hero will keep powering progress. Molybdenum wire quietly shaping the future. How can Navaties help you explore the global trade of molybdenum wire? Navaties provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on global molybdenum wire. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import molybdenum wire based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to manufacturing industry or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global molybdenum wire or visit navaties.com. In summary, the international trade of molybdenum wire in the manufacturing industry is poised for growth, fueled by its diverse applications, superior properties, and evolving market dynamics. As various sectors continue to rely on molybdenum wire for innovative solutions, leveraging market trends and opportunities can help businesses capitalize on this valuable commodity's potential in the global marketplace. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.